Hello, I'm William Schulte working as a geologist for Snowboard Cross at the Winter Olympics. The purpose for a snowboard is to help the person move up and down the hills. If a person is 5'10", their snowboard should be about 178 centimeters long. Then we move on to the goggles. The goggles help shield your eyes from the snow, and the goggles come in sizes of small, medium, and large. Next is the helmet. That protects the head from falls and sometimes can be 21 inches in circumference. The helmet protects the head from falls, and it also protects from the jawline up. The goggles protect the eyes. The gloves protect the hands from the wrist to your fingertips. Now we move on to injuries. So say you have a concussion. It would make it harder for yourself to focus on the race. Or an eye pops out of your socket. It could make it harder for you to see. Or let's say your ankle could break and you couldn't put any pressure on it. So that about wraps it up for me. So hopefully you learned some things, how to be a geologist. See you next time.